Tears in your eyes, I didn't know what to do. But in that moment everything felt right. A little heartbeat changed my life. Our child, a dream come true. A piece of me and a piece of you. Our child, a light so bright, shining through the darkest night. I was scared but I felt so strong, like I knew where I belonged. Every heartbeat, every sign told me this love was divine. Our child will guide the way through every night and every day. Our child will always be the home where love will never leave. Tiny hands reaching out to me, like you already believe that I'll be there through it all, to catch you every time you fall. Our child, you are our song, the reason we keep moving on. Our child, forever near, in every laugh and every tear. Every kick, every little move feels like love I never knew. Growing life inside of me is the greatest mystery. Our child, we promise you a world of love in all we do. Our child, don't be afraid. In our arms you'll always stay. I'll teach you how to stand up tall, how to rise each time you fall. Show you dreams are worth the fight, be a shelter every night. I'll sing you songs to make you sleep, hold you close and keep you safe. Through the storms and through the rain, you will never feel the pain. Our child,